Hey, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel, where today I want to talk to you about the very latest software update for the LG C1 and G1 OLEDs. Now I just want to say a big thanks to subscriber DGS who has kindly sent over these screenshots and information regarding this software update, because I don't currently own a C1 or G1 OLED, but I do have all the information that you're going to need to know. And if you do appreciate that I do follow up with the software update videos for the older models, just a favour, give me a thumbs up. Really does help me out. Right, let's first start off then by taking a look at the new software version number. So if we were to go into settings, support and software update, we would see that the new software version number is 03.40.87, and that is coming from the previous software version number of 03.40.85. Heading on over to LG's website now then, and we've put in for a 55-inch C1 OLED. And if we scroll down, we can see that new software version number of 03.40.87. If we go down further and we click on reference, we'll find out exactly what this update is doing. And we can see just there, fixing minor bugs in software. It's getting to the point that LG have got so many bugs to fix, I think that they need an exterminator, not a software engineer. Now if we move down again, we can see the applicable model list there. So that is our C1s and G1 OLEDs. Now we come to the juicy bit of the video. So is it worth doing a software update? Is there any risks? Well, I've spoken to DGS and he's been running this software update and has found no issues whatsoever or any changes. And also looking online, speaking to other people as well, and they also have said exactly the same, no issues and nothing has changed for them. So there you go then guys, good news this time around. Like I said, if you do appreciate what I do, doing the software update videos to do with the older models, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't. Hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.